Next question we are solving today. Find the height up to which an insect can crawl up a fixed hemispherical bowl of radius smaller if the coefficient of friction is 1 by 3. This is the question. So the insect is over here and the insect is crawling up the plane, and at this very particular point, after reaching this particular point, the insect is crawling back down. So over here at this point, what are the force? Means the insect cannot crawl up anymore. So if the insect is not able to crawl up at this after reaching at this point, so we determine what are the force components acting over here. So the weight of the insect is vertically down. If this angle is theta, then this angle will also be theta, and if this angle is theta, then this component will be W cos theta and this component will be W sin theta. So at this very particular point, this is the last point where the insect could reach. So at this point, after this point, the insect cannot move up the plane. So at this point, the frictional force, the tendency of the insect is now to slide down the plane. So over here, the frictional force, or this one is the limiting point. So the frictional force and the W sin theta over here must balance each other. So Fs is equal to W sin theta. R is the normal reaction which the plane gives on the insect. So it is R equal to W cos theta. So mu is equal to Fs divided by R. So it is W sin theta by W cos theta, that is equal to tan theta equal to 1 by 3. Now it is simple mathematics that what is tan theta. So if this angle is theta, perpendicular is root over of r square minus y square, and the base over here is y. So root over of r square minus y square divided by y is equal to 1 by 3. On solving, we are getting y is equal to 3 by root 10 into r. Then what is this height? What is the height the insect has reached? That is r minus h. So it is r minus y, so it is 3r by root 10. The value of this one will be coming out as 0.95 r. So that is equal to 0.05 r, or it is 5% of the radius that the insect will be able to reach.